way the mechanic girl did everything and had too much, man. And that's why it starts dripping like hell.
Yeah, that's what it's crazy.
Yeah. Está lleno, mira, está lleno, pero estaba tirándolo. It's rolling.
That shit rolling.
No emergency. Well, as long as ain't nothing pop. You running?
No, it's, you know.
Ain't nothing in that.
Yeah, it's just, it was from there, it was dripping.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's too shorty, ain't it?
Girls?
Hell yeah.
Brand new thing, too. That's a brand new booster.
Just got that motherfucker. Shit, bro, I was riding.
First white one I seen.
I was riding next to that purple Infinity yesterday. I was riding next to that joint yesterday. That shit clean though. Copyright. DM. I mean Mercedes. Yeah. Hey, that nigga going crazy. Do that shit one more time. This nigga's crazy. Nigga car back here still smoking and shit. God damn.
Years pop, man.
Damn. Eight. This shit sound like gunshots, for real. Oh god, nigga, everybody got scared. Oh, nigga, I said, hold up, nigga, that shit sound real familiar. Oh yeah, they didn't say it. Fuck it now, nigga. Man, fuck it, I'm about to move in. Excuse me. Hey man, go ahead and hit that shit a couple times for the camera, nigga. Hey, that nigga said I smell oil.
Ya va a estar yo con el 370.
Damn. This shit's crazy. You said 50?
At least 50, probably more than that. But I know right now as it sits, at least 50.
You mind hitting it with the light real quick? Yeah, that's crazy as fuck. Y'all see this shit, big ass LS motor.
I need to get some lights, that's for sure. The trunk, I can put down batteries in the trunk.
This shit is in a Bel Air, bro.
Oh yeah, it's crazy.
got that shit on both sides.
That's crazy as fuck right there.
Yeah, that shit dope. I like that. My man got the gauges in there and everything.